All right, little ones, time to explore. Hey, get back here, you cluckers! Eureka! I have a brilliant idea!
We can fix the chicken house with that.
Wee, this is so much fun!
Time to dig. Here we go.
Awesome, look at that!
Okay, chickens, let's clear this mess.
Clock, be careful.
Got it, all clear. Nice work.
Time to dig a strong foundation for the new chicken house. That's it. Keep watching. Perfect. A sturdy base. All right, chickens. Time to build your new house. Here we go. One strong board at a time.
All right, team, let's get this roof up.
Whoa!
Perfect. What a team.
All right, everyone. Dance time. Great job, team.
Hey there, chickens. Ready for some fun? Let's chase. You're fast.
Yay! Let's dance, everyone! Yay!